Once upon a time in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young couple named Emma and James. They were deeply in love, the kind of love that seemed to transcend time itself. Their love story was the stuff of legend in their community, and it had been that way for generations. Emma and James had first met as children, playing in the meadow behind their houses. As they grew older, their friendship blossomed into something more profound. Their love was evident to everyone around them, not just in the way they held hands or shared secret smiles, but in the way they supported and encouraged each other's dreams. One warm summer's evening, under the starlit sky, James proposed to Emma in the very meadow where they had first met. She said yes, and their happiness was boundless. They married in a simple, rustic ceremony surrounded by family and friends. Their love seemed to radiate from them, warming the hearts of everyone who witnessed it. Years passed, and their love only deepened. They faced challenges together, weathering storms that would have torn others apart. But Emma and James stood strong, their love unwavering. They had children, grandchildren, and even great-grandchildren, all of whom marveled at the love story that had endured for so long. As time went on, the village changed, and the world around them evolved, but Emma and James remained a constant. They held hands as they took slow walks through the meadow, their love as vibrant as ever. They were proof that true love could stand the test of time. And then, one winter's night, as snow fell softly outside their cozy cottage, James passed away in his sleep, peacefully and content. Emma, heartbroken, held his hand for the last time, tears glistening in her eyes. She knew their time together in this world had come to an end. But their love was everlasting, and even in death, it endured. Emma felt James's presence in every warm breeze, every twinkling star, and every cherished memory. She knew that their love would continue to live on, a testament to the power of a love that transcended time and space. Emma lived out the rest of her days with grace and a smile on her face, knowing that she would one day be reunited with her beloved James. And so, their love story became a legend, a reminder to all who heard it that true love, once found, could last forever. As Emma grew older, her days became quieter, and she spent more time reflecting on her life with James. She often visited their special meadow, where she felt closest to him. She would sit on the same grassy knoll where he had proposed all those years ago, and she could almost hear his voice in the wind whispering sweet words of love. Emma's children and grandchildren, who had witnessed the enduring love between their parents and grandparents, cherished her presence and wisdom. They would gather around her, asking for stories about her life with James, eager to learn from the remarkable love they had shared. One summer, as Emma celebrated her 100th birthday, her family organized a grand party in the meadow. It was a joyous occasion, with laughter, music, and dancing. Emma's eyes sparkled with happiness as she watched her loved ones come together in celebration. As the sun began to set, Emma sat in her favorite spot, reminiscing about her life with James. She closed her eyes and felt a gentle touch on her shoulder. When she opened her eyes, she gasped in surprise. There, standing before her, was James, just as she remembered him in his prime. Tears of joy streamed down Emma's cheeks as they embraced, their love transcending even the boundaries of life and death. James explained that he had been watching over her all these years, and he had been waiting for this special moment to be with her once again. The partygoers watched in awe as Emma and James danced together under the starry sky, their love lighting up the meadow with a radiant glow. It was a miracle, a testament to the enduring power of their love. As the night wore on, James and Emma shared stories of their time apart, and they promised never to be apart again. With a final, tender kiss, James vanished into the night, leaving Emma with a heart full of love and a smile that would never fade. In the years that followed, Emma continued to live a long and happy life, knowing that her love with James was truly everlasting. Their story continued to inspire generations in the village, a symbol of love's ability to conquer all obstacles and last for eternity. And so, in the quiet moments of the day and under the starlit nights of the meadow, Emma and James's love story remained alive, a beautiful and enduring testament to the power of love that truly lasted forever.